Guys, it's Super 100 Videos here, and today we're at Walmart with Luke.
Yep.
And I'm going to show you toys today at Walmart for good picks for families. Alright, so right now we're at the electronics aisle, and we're going to be going to the toys aisle, but we're going to show some toys. And we're going to give some tips too, right, Luke?
Yeah.
Alright, show these toys first.
Okay.
So these are some
Pops, rocks.
pop collectible toys.
And I'll show you my favorite.
From Funko. So what? These toys are okay. But you have to pick wisely with them, especially with electronics and toys and stuff.
Oh,
I mean, electronics with kids nowadays. So you have to pick wisely on the toys that they want and choose and connect with, and timing with what you do in a day or what they do in a day. Now over here we got some Harry Potter toys or collectibles that they can play with.
Yep.
The same thing as these over here. What I said about the toys. Then we have some plushies over here.
And we got a Luigi.
You know.
Oh, I pronounced it wrong. It's Luigi.
So the same thing about the other toys and the electronics. And the timing. Here's some more plushies.
I'll show you my most favorite.
That are available at Walmart. Alright, show your favorite plushie. Luke.
That one.
This one. Alright, and then here's some more figures. Here. The same thing. Here. Alright, from games and stuff, so. But these are good for kids that want them. So, here's some other thing, some posters and stuff. So, you know.
Come over here, guys.
So, yep, and the things right here too. This, you know, and the big one. So, yep. Alright, now I'm going to talk about video games with kids or teens or whatever. Here, and they're okay to play with, but timing is good. And little kids or like little kids that have like video games.
Like at Xbox 3, Xbox One.
The timing is really good because they might want to play with those toys over there too. So that's another thing. Also, another thing, here's some more video games that the kids can have or choose from. Now we're going to look at stuff over here.
Yeah.
There's some tablets, but timing is really,
Oh, here's my Xbox Live.
wisely with these kind of stuff.
What did you say, Peggy?
Right.
We gotta get out of here, Hunter.
Alright, here's some computers, some other things. And then, like, iPads.
Yep, it works. See?
You know, computers, and the technology, and then the toys that I showed earlier. And I'm going to show you more toys. And then Apple Watches and phone, you know, take up space. But you need, if the kids want to play with toys that they want to have, they need to have space for them. Alright, are you ready to, and also the accessories are useful for if your child has, if your child has a phone or a device. Alright, are you ready to go to the toy aisle, Luke?
Yep.
Alright.
There's all electronics.
Alright, here's some more toys. Once again, about the choosing wisely. And you can also get these 3 things at Walmart, and you can have your child write stuff down too. So it says time and stuff, and this new generation and stuff. And then here's some Legos. once again, the same type of thing. And then some doll accessories. Now, another tip here is to choose things that the kids would want to use and what to play with also. Here's some other things. Also time and choosing ways with your kids as well.
I think I know another choose wisely.
And what to use. Here's some more things that kids would want to use, and
1 to 3.
also with the devices and things.
3 plus.
Also, and here's the thing over here, things that they can look at or collect or useful or play with for little kids. And Luke likes to use his phone, but like if they have like a sibling or something, to play with them as well, and encourage that time with family and fun.
Wait, I think I found our mom. Oink, oink, oink.
Control the time on YouTube and games on phone, and so they can have fun playing with their brother or sister or whatever. And here's some more toys. Some more. And make sure you pick out the interest as well, what they want, because that'll help it out easier for the season. I'm trying to make it easier. And then here's some more toys for little kids. And toddlers. These are really good for like imagination and stuff, and
picnics
and playing.
And it could be used for real life, right?
I guess.
For picnics.
Okay. Wait. Luke, you're getting in my way a little bit.
Do you like more of like the smaller ones, like the ones
Well, especially like these, like stuffed plushies, like the other plushies, like something that they can look at and use. Now over here, this thing, Paw Patrol.
I think I found another choose wisely.
And these could be collectibles too that you can look at and play with. These are also something that little kids can look at too. These little things. And then some more plushies. Something to look at as well. And something to have fun with. Luke likes the music here. Alright. Alright.
Show me, Hunter.
And then like the little collectibles like over here, they're good to play with, like a little play date or something, or like with your brother or sister or whatever. Or like these big ones as well too.
Bigger the pricer, right?
Yeah. These are all at Walmart. Alright, I'm done looking at and then there's like some PG Masks stuff, and then like Toy Story stuff and Imaginext. And these are also good to play with, like friends or like stuff, and these are like good collectibles too. So then these are fun for like these lugs or stuff, are like fun like for like collectibles too. And like for play dates and stuff. Then the plushies.
Wait, can I show you my favorite aisle?
Right. Hey, hold on, Luke. And then those are like good collectibles and good fun things to play with. Yeah, plushie. Then some more plushies up there. Some more plushies, some more of that. Some of these little things are good collectibles. And then Lion's World, gets imagination going and and you know what I said earlier, the electronics and stuff. That's always with any toy, you know, nowadays. And with kids nowadays. So, you know. And those are good for electronics too. And you can watch Ryan's toy reviews while doing that with the headphones. So I think this is also pretty cool because you can play with this with, you know, like siblings or something. So it shows like the characters and, you know, I think these are all pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. And some more of the plushies. And some of the puzzles and stuff over here that kids can use on their free time because of their electronics addiction. So these are really fun to play with siblings and stuff.
Do not try this at home.
Okay, Luke. These are fun for toddlers. Alright, then over here at Play-Doh, those are always fun once in a while. So, that's really good. So, and also the theming of the Play-Dohs are fun for kids to, you know, play with. So, I hope the tips that I'm giving you today help out a lot. I wouldn't get this brand that much anymore. Well, they're good. Like, maybe some of the items here for like toddlers, but if they don't have like an iPhone that has like educational games and stuff, those are all like good. And you can show like if you have that, those are good. Fisher Price is good, though, for imagination and stuff and everything. And playing together and teamwork. Also, what I do think about games on phones and tablets and stuff, I think they show teamwork for like older kids, and you know, older kids, you know, they don't really like that many stuff that much anymore. So, and that makes sense because you get like older and you get worn out ideas that, you know, worn out things that you like and stuff, you know. So it kind of shows that teamwork and not to give up during hard situations. So I kind of like that. Alright, let's move on, Luke. Alright. And the same for these toys. They're here.
You're a girl. You would like this style.
Yeah. And the same over here. And all these toys. And all the plushies down there. And this stuff that kids can use. So
Next style.
this is basically like all the ghoul stuff in the ghoul aisle. Like dolls and like plushies and stuff for ghouls. And collectibles for ghouls. Like there's a bunch of people, so I don't want to really go down there and slinky, so that's really fun for kids sometimes. But time and energy for kids and what they like and stuff. Down here is like the next aisle after the first aisle. Man, as well as the holiday. Let's go this way, season. So, well, the next aisle is like Legos and stuff
I'll show you guys.
like that, and building blocks and stuff.
Here's
So
some blades.
over here is really good for like fun to come over, like karaoke type stuff. So I bet that's fun for kids to do for teamwork. These are just fun for people just to mess around with. And then puzzles. Those are good like teamwork stuff. So the Batman one, I like Batman. So and then games and stuff. Those are fun for teamwork. Hatchimals. Little games for kids, which are good for teamwork as well. So these are at the game aisle, basically. That's it. So the games are just really good for teamwork. Also, they had their bikes too. Ook. Right. So here they have Nerf and cars, which these are good for teamwork and not giving up, and this and stuff like that. And then they have fun toys like squishies and stuff, and like slime, which that's fun for kids. There's some more PJ Masks stuff, which is good for teamwork and stuff like that with fun. Then more games over here too. So yes.
So, are we ready to end?
And then here's some more stuff for like teamwork and stuff, and some of this stuff over here.
It's for dress up.
And dress up stuff, like for teamwork and fun, and but you have to take in mind like what kids really want and what kids enjoy and what kids care about and stuff, and time and effort, and with the new generation, and the stuff for like toddlers. That's really fun too.
Yeah.
Like a fidget type stuff. Alright, come on. Alright. This is really good for the summer. With a kid gets have time and toddler stuff. If they have time, if they don't have stuff. And I don't think toddlers or babies don't have phone, but Ook is a toddler.
No, I'm not.
So he has a phone. Well, I don't know. Then here's some more lion
Hunter, can you hold these?
and slime and stuff. Like for teamwork and stuff.
It was Luke.
Hi.
Did you say no? How much is it? That's too much fun.
Okay. So basically, that's it. So just follow this the tips if you want. And this holiday season, all these toys are at Walmart, and this can help your kids know what they want and help you buy the stuff that you want. Alright, thank you so much for watching this thing. Yeah, alright, thank you guys so much for watching the video today, and like and subscribe, and push the notification bell. Alright, and Luke will be making review videos over toys that he likes.
Yep.
Starting soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.